Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoom in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you need to make sure that you have an eligible uh, edition or production or organization edition. So basically, you will need to have the performance or unlimited edition, or you can have also the enterprise edition. So basically after that, you will need just to go to setup and from there you will need to search for the Zoom integration. So from here, I'm just going to type Zoom and basically I'm using the developer version, but you will need just to have an eligible uh, organization or type of license. And basically you can find your license by going to the service setup, or you can simply find about your setup. So now, after you go to the Zoom, you will need just to enable it by clicking on the Zoom settings that you would find here, and basically you will need just to click on enable, and you will be able to start integrating Zoom in Salesforce. So already Salesforce provide you an ready in integration that you can use for Zoom in Salesforce, and you will be able to start having some meetings or that you can synchronize your meetings within calendars, etc. within Salesforce. So simply, those are the steps on how you can start integrating your Zoom application within your Salesforce organization. So thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.